it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 117 log profile journey and I hope you are doing well. So currently it is a early blog and hope you are doing well. I was studying. This is my calculator and I think that I should make a blog video. So basically today was a great day and like early, so I can't say anything. But yesterday I can keep out like my goal was to do 18 push-ups, but I can't. So I also find some lead and DM them and got a proposal from a brand, but I try to convince them to run ads, but they are like not saying anything. So I will take a hold or be patient about that. And also I'm learning some skills and continuing it or like practicing it. Like I'm learning debating, how to debate, or and also communication is the master of everything that we really need. Hope that you watch my last video, which was I relapsed part 2. So the main thing here is every time I relapsed I will create a video, and that's the goal. So that's it for now. At the end I will, and I do.